In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF to ChatGPT and ask it questions about the file. If you want ChatGPT to help you understand a document, summarize its contents, translate it, or explain specific parts in simpler language, uploading a PDF is a quick and useful way to do that. The process is very simple, whether you're using a phone, tablet, or computer. To begin, open ChatGPT on your device. You can do this through the mobile app or in your web browser on a computer. Once ChatGPT is open, go to the conversation where you want to upload the PDF. If you already have an existing chat related to that topic, you can use it. If not, you can simply open a new chat and continue from there. After you're inside the correct chat, look for the attachment button near the message box. Depending on your device, this may appear as a paperclip icon or another upload symbol. Tap it on mobile or click it on desktop to open the upload options. From the available options, choose Files. This tells ChatGPT that you want to upload a document from your device rather than using another input method. Your file browser will then open, allowing you to look through your folders and saved documents. Next, find the PDF file you want to upload and select it. Make sure you're choosing the correct document before continuing, especially if you have multiple files with similar names. Once selected, the PDF will begin attaching to your message. Now give it a moment to upload. You should wait until the PDF appears in the message box. This is important because it confirms the file has been attached successfully and is ready to be sent. If the file takes a little longer, that usually depends on the file size and your internet connection. Once the PDF is visible in the message box, send it to ChatGPT just like you would send a normal message. After the file is uploaded, you can type a clear request telling ChatGPT what you'd like it to do with the document. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to summarize the PDF, analyze its key ideas, translate the text, or explain difficult sections in a more understandable way. The more specific your request is, the better the response will usually be. For best results, mention exactly what kind of help you want so ChatGPT can focus on the most useful parts of the document. And that's how to upload a PDF to ChatGPT and start working with the information inside it.